Good day, I am Charles Marcos C. Alvarez, a student of Fiat Lux Academy, and I am from the EMS4 IT department, and I am here to share my testimony about my experience during the Createch work immersion. So this work immersion proved to be quite the meaningful and educational experience for me, as throughout the work immersion I learned to be more timely and responsible of my own schedule, as there are consequences for missing out or not participating on the tasks given to us individually and per department, which was good because it encouraged accountability and discipline for my own actions and how I manage my own time and schedule. I also learned to be more collaborative, as it was required for the tasks given to us per department, because the departments actually rely on each other. I also got a gist of some basic coding, as it was relevant to my career. I understood more about how I felt when approaching such tasks. Overall, this experience taught me accountability, discipline, collaboration, and how to manage my time better and more responsibly, as well as how to be more efficient when doing such tasks, how to be efficient with my time, which the lessons I learned from the work immersion experience are going to be incredibly beneficial for me in the future when I am pursuing the career that I desire to pursue, uh, and the field that I will pursue in the future when in the actual workspace and work environment. Once again, I'm Charles Marcos C. Alvarez. I am from the EMS4 IT department, a student of Fiat Lux Academy, and that is my testimony about my experience during the Createch work immersion. Thank you.